Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome back to my channel. And this video can be very helpful to you if you have a leather belt like this. Now this leather belt, as I have shown in the thumbnail how bad it has become, you can come and have a closer look at it. Come on, come close. So as you all guys can see the condition of my belt, it has become very bad. Okay, so guys, you all guys have seen how this belt looks like. Looks very horrible. So I will show you how to fix this thing in this video. So let's get started. So to fix this belt you will need two things. First is a sandpaper and then a Vaseline petroleum jelly. So come on, let's do it. So just have a look at the belt before I do anything, and as all guys can see, it looks really horrible. So to see the difference between before and after, I will put a masking tape here. And I will do the job on one side and then we'll see the difference between the two. So first we'll have to take a 150 grit sandpaper and start to sand off the top layer of the belt. Now see that you don't sand it too much also and make the belt very thin, because as you sand, the top layer of your belt will disappear. So sand it till a slight top layer is gone. After that you should stop and then take a 220 grit sandpaper and start to do the sanding again. This will smoothen out the surface a little bit more, but again don't overdo it, as by doing this it will make your belt a little bit thinner and softer. So here I am done my sanding process. Now wipe it off with a cloth and clean it. Once you are done cleaning, take a Vaseline, or you can even call it a petroleum jelly, and apply it nicely all over like this. Once you are done applying, you will see that the color of the belt is become slightly darker. Now this color will lighten up as days pass by, because the petroleum jelly will get absorbed inside the belt, which will keep the belt nice and soft for a longer period of time. Now let's have a closer look of the belt. If you have applied too much petroleum jelly, then see that you spread it out like this, like how I am doing here. Now let's take out the masking tape and check the difference between the two. And as you all guys can see the difference now, there is a huge difference. I will give you a closer look of the belt. Now what I'll do is, I'll do this process on the entire belt, and then we'll have a look how the entire belt looks like. So here I'm done doing the process on the entire belt, and now we'll see the belt, how it looks like. And as you all guys can see how nice my belt is looking now. It has really got a new life. So we'll compare how it was and how it looks like now, and you will come to know the difference between the two. So you all guys can see the difference now. It is almost like a day and night difference. Yes, the thickness of the belt might reduce a little bit, but I think it is worth it. So hoping that you like the video. If you like the video, then do like and share. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, then press the subscribe button and press the bell icon on the side of it, so that when I post my new video, you will get a notification of it. So till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out until we meet again.
I won't stop till I wear the crown.